Which accident took place at Bhopal in 1984? The most tragic industrial accident. How many people were killed in the accident at Bhopal last Thursday? Over 4,000 people. How long can a man live without water? 2 or 3 days. Which industrial are rated the fast among the industry that discharge high amount of smoke and gas? Thermal power station. What is the single word used in the text for person who study weather condition? Meteorologist. Period text to a number. Where does the honey child go? To the wild forest. The bland cakes are on the heart. Who composed the poem The Flowers School? Rabindranath Tagore. What numbers in the sky? Storm cloud. Where is the home of the power children in the sky? Test 3I. What happened to the relationship between Juman and Algu after the judgment broken up? What did Juman say when one of Aglu's bulk died? This is punishment for his disappointment. Where did the children find the gain? In a ribbon. How did the wishman know that was a gain of corn? When a hen packed it, how big was the corn each old grandfather's time? As big as a hen's egg. The headmaster will dash the peas. Right answer. Give up, give away, give in, give away. Right answer. Give away. The police are dash the matter. Looking into. Right answer. Looking into. I cannot express how sorry I am. Answer MC. I cannot express HC. How can I am? Rita has read the storybook. Her father bought it last week. Answer. Rita has read the book which her father bought last week. Combination provide that dash. The earth revolves around the sun. Multiple assignment देखिबा. The teacher is a person who teacher the student. A driver is a person who driver vehicle. A plumber is a person who sets water piece. A pen is a tool which used to write. A doctor is a person who treats patient. 2 number otta. Fill the blanks with suitable words has pre the poem village song. The bridal song has creed. Song have dash of sorrow. Kindness. The flutters of the sun today. The fair sweeter of days tomorrow. That sound the forest notes where forest statements are फिलिंग फाइलिंग। 3 number question or fill in the blanks. I cannot trust the boy. Please that's your matter. Please describe your matter. Man is mortal. शेष प्रश्न वर्ब को आम नाउन ने लिखा अल्टर को अल्टरनेशन रिड्यूस को रेडुकेशन प्रोडक्ट्स को प्रोडक्शन जस्टिफाई को जस्टिफिकेशन एक्सपेक्ट को एक्सपेक्शन। जदि भिडियोटी भल लगी था भिडियोटी के लाइक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने को एकदम भूलिबेनी।